Look at these two puzzles we have here. Can we figure out what goes where? Let's see. Here we have a red pterodactyl. And I look. No. Aha! Red pterodactyl! Let's pick another one. Here we have a, what is that? A sheep? Let's see. Sheep, 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 sheep! Alright. Let's see what else we have. Here is a, ooh, this looks like a blue apatosaur. Blue apatosaur, blue apatosaur, where are you? There it is. Got it. Alright, what's next? This looks like it could be a dinosaur. But what is it? It's a turtle. Turtle, turtle, turtle. Where are you? Turtle! Right there. Great. Okay, let's pick another one. Let's start on this side. That's not an animal. That's a tree. Where's the tree go? Tree. Tree! Palm tree. Let's pick another one. Aha! This dinosaur has spikes on his back. He's called a stegosaurus. Where does the stegosaurus go? Not there. Nope. Nope. Right there. Is that it? Yeah. Stegosaurus. You got it. Alright, let's see. This thing, he's got some spikes. Those are actually called horns. This is a cow. Do you see the cow? Cow, cow. Cow, cow. Cow! Alright. What is this guy? This guy is a horse. Where does the horse go? Horsey, horsey. Horsey, horsey. Horse! He goes right here. Alright. How many do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Good. Okay, let's try this one. Ooh. That's the Tyrannosaurus Rex. We call him T-Rex. Where does the T-Rex go? Does the T-Rex go there? Nope. No. Is it over here? No. Aha! The T-Rex found his home. Let's see what else we have. This guy, you may have one of these. It's a cute little puppy. Alright puppy, where do you go? You go over here? No. You go over here? No. Okay. How about right here? Good job, puppy. Aha! Here we have, looks like a gray apatosaur. Okay. Where does the gray apatosaur go? Does he go right there? No. Right there? No. He goes right here. Yes! You did it. Okay, we just have 2 left, and they're both orange, so that may be tricky. Let's see. This one looks really sweet and cuddly. He's got little stripes on him, and he likes to say, meow. Ah, it's a cat. Where does the cat go? You go right here, cat? No? Okay. You must go right here. Meow! Yes, we got the cat home. And that just leaves the Triceratops. Triceratops, where is your home? Not over here. It must be right there. Process of elimination. Alright guys, great job. We did this puzzle.